Hello friends. So we are over with the simple scenario based questions. Now let's make it a little bit complex, and we are starting with the duplicate checks. Why duplicate checks? Because duplicate can cause incorrect records, incorrect counts, incorrect reports, incorrect churn analysis, incorrect Power BI KPIs. Right. So here we have the scenario one. Are there any customer IDs appearing more than once in the main banking customer table? So we have to analyze all the customers and find if there is any duplicate customer IDs available in the data sheet. So let's go. So we have select customer ID from bank departure. It will give all the customer IDs, right? We have 10,000 records. Now let's have a aggregate functions. Count customer ID. Let's see how it is. 10,000, right? Now when we have to use any aggregate functions, then of course we need to have a group by clause. So let's find what we have to I mean find customer ID. Customer ID count star as number of customers, number of customers, right? From bank departure, group by customer ID having count star is greater than 1, right? We don't have any. So every single customer ID, so there is no duplicates, right? 10,000. We have 10,000 records right here. So here we are grouping the customer IDs, right? अगर कहीं पे भी कस्टमर आईडी एक से ज़्यादा होगा तो वहाँ पे दो हो जाएगा, ठीक है? और पर्टिकुलर वही कस्टमर आईडी आएगा जिसमें काउंट एक से ज़्यादा होगा, ठीक है? सो ये होता है टोटल। सो क्योंकि एक भी कस्टमर्स नहीं है, सो एक बार हम लोग इसको क्वेरी को रन करके देखते हैं, चेक करते हैं चैट जीपीटी क्या बोलता है। पास्ट, थोड़ा इसको पूछते हैं वाई वाई इट इज़ पास्ट, वाई इट इज़ पास्ट, वाई इट इज़ पास्ट। It passed because your query matches every part of business requirements. Your query, this, let's understand it at the granular level. Requirement: find customer IDs appearing more than once in bank departure. Your query does exactly that. Group by customer ID. This puts record belonging to the same customer ID into one group. Imagine the data: 101, 102, 101, 103, 102, 102. After logically grouping 1012 records, 1023 records, 1031 records. Count star. Now you are counting how many rows exist for each customer IDs. 101 2, 102 3, 103 1. having count star equals to 1 greater than 1. This is the actual duplicate test. You are saying after grouping customers only return groups containing more than one records. So 1012 1023 सिर्फ इतना ही आएगा, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं आएगा. कस्टमर 103 disappears because it occurs only once. क्योंकि 103 नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो सिर्फ एक ही बार आता है. जो भी आईडी एक से ज़्यादा बार है वो वहाँ पे काउंटिंग के साथ आ जाएगा, 2 3 5 मैक्सिमम. So this is important where filters individual rows before grouping, having filters group after aggregations. Your requirement depends on the result of count. So having is appropriate. Why this is matters in your churn project? Suppose your table actually contains total rows 10,000, unique customers 9,950. You should immediately investigate. These 50 additional rows could inflate total customers, active customers, inactive customers, exit customer, retained, credit card holders, geography analysis, churn rate, right? So this is how we need to test. बेसिकली हमको यूनिट टेस्टिंग आना चाहिए. मेरे सर ने पढ़ाया था मुझे यूनिट टेस्टिंग कैसे करते हैं, ठीक है. सो इसलिए मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी नीड टू यूज़ ग्रुप बाय और हैविंग. हम लोग और भी सीनेरियोज चेक करेंगे, ठीक है. अभी के लिए इतना रखते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.